Let's go over some of the features of the Rotadairon. All of the machines have these features. For starters, the patented blades on these make the Rotadairon unique in that the blades are angled forward and down so that that is your cutting point right there, okay? And because the back side of the blade does not follow the cutting point, there is no soil glazing or soil compaction by the blade that you would get on a conventional tiller or another tiller. A lot of times when you're tilling, sometimes you get some glazing. It disrupts root development and water drainage, but you don't get that with these blades. As the soil is being drawn up into the machine, there's a metering bar here that meters how big a material that can actually be brought into the machine. So you're not going to get a giant rock brought into the machine and lock this thing up. It's smaller rocks will get in here, generally fist size or smaller, are no problem. You won't even know they're in there if you're tilling in soils with fist size rocks. Now, along with the metering debris, the whole unit is made out of high strength steel. It's thinner, but it's stronger than you would find on a lot of conventional tillers. The processing chamber is a double wall constructed of high strength steel. That does two things. It adds to strength and rigidity of the machine. It also deflects the material that's brought up inside the processing chamber back down into the rotating blades to ensure that everything is processed correctly. One of the other features we have are the screening ties. These screen out debris. You got a rock inside here, it's not going to get out. It's going to stay in this processing chamber and be forced down into the bottom of the cut by the rotating blades. The only thing that gets out of the machine is the small material that comes out of the machine, and then that stays on the surface where we grade it off. The next feature is the grader bar. You can adjust this with some cranks on the top, and that adjusts and smooths off the screen fines on the surface. And then the packer wheel, this carries the weight of the machine. It also acts as the depth control mechanism, and this packs and rolls the screen fines and leaves you with a real nice seat bed.